Hi guys and welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. I want to show you one perfect tool to build your own website for portfolio, blog, online store, personal and CV, creative services, events and weddings, and so on and so on. Everything that you wanted to build to be online, to be live with your web page, you can build with a Squarespace. This is a fantastic tool and I want to show you how it works and how fast and easy you can build your own web page. Want to provide you with all the functionality of this platform so you will understand how to build your own web page for your own purposes. Just showed you the website itself, and now let's switch to my dashboard. Okay, when you're gonna be on the platform, for sure you need to get access to it, and if you want to find the link very fast and easy, it's on the description panel under this video. We left it just for you so you can easily find it, join, and let's find out how it works. First of all, the platform will ask you what is the purpose of your web page, of your website. There are a lot of types: online store, portfolio, membership, blog, launch page, and so on. And the topic: art and design, photography, health and beauty, personal and CV, fashion, professional services, local businesses. So plenty of topics and types of the websites, and there are tons of pre-made already built templates that you can start with. And I just want to show you the functionality of this site, of this web platform that allows you to build your own landing page or website easily and fast. Just to show you all the functionality, let's choose some, for example, local business, for example. And here you go. You have the templates that will suit to your purposes. Let's build any of them, and I will show you how to make deal with this. Alrighty, this is pretty simple. Start with this design. And there's an editor on this web platform, and you can, when you're gonna know how it works, you can build it by your own and without an extra efforts, because it's pretty understandable, it's pretty simple, and you will see it in this video. So first of all, you need to give your page a name. And when you start in Gist, the platform itself will show you the small tutorial right here, how you can edit your web page. So we just click in next, how to create pages, how to make design, and so on and so on. And there's assistant right here in the right corner, in the right hand, and that's actually all you need to do to go with your live web page. Start your trial, include site title, logo, add and delete pages, change fonts and colors, add image, connect and update domains, optimize for search, and launch your site. We're gonna close it, but you can open it anytime pressing just on this question button. Alrighty, this is a simple page. Let's go to pages, and you see that there's just home page and it's not linked. Let's make it right here. Let's get edit. Okay, you see that there's a site header and the site footer. You can add section above or below any section that you want. You see this blue boxes, and that means that there are some content right here. For example, we need to build the real estate company webpage. The main purpose of any landing page is to get the contacts from from your potential client, and when they like writing down their email and names, you get in it, then you can contact with them with your email marketing provider, for example, or by your hands, by your own. But it's not the question of this video. The question is how to build a web page. So we see that there's a header, there's main block and the footer. Let's add it site header. Just it's pretty understandable. Global, here is the desktop and here's the mobile phone version. So you really need to check this because a lot of traffic flows right now from the cell phones, from smartphones, from mobile devices, and it should looks great before your site will go live. So here you can see the site title and logo. So you can download the logo if you have it, and site title, real estate, for example, New York. Let it be just for example, and you will understand how to fix that by yourself. Elements. Here you can enable or disable the button. Social links. Social links, you can add it. You can add here your own if you have some Facebook page or Instagram account, you can add it, and plenty of social media you can add it right here. We're gonna leave it, you're gonna figure it out. Card, if you're selling something, you can enable the card. You see this icon right here, but we're not selling anything. We will just get the information from our potential customers. Elements right here. Let's enable the button. Button is get started. Let it be like this. And here, there you can change, pressing on this gear, you can change the click event. What's gonna happen when somebody will press the button. You can get your potential clients to new web address, to page, email, phone, or file. So it's very useful when you bring in the traffic to your website, to your landing page, and when somebody need to email you or phone you, for example, phone, and when it's going to be from the mobile devices, there will be just call, and you can call to your phone number just with one click, and it's very interesting. Let's press an email. Here you can change the header layout. Can be like this, can be like this, can be like this. We don't have the menu we don't have the pages like about or some else, but there you see this lines. That means that here it should be the different pages from your website. Let it be like this, for example. Okay, the header is on the spot. Interesting thing that it can be with a fixed position, and now is transparent. That means that header will use the color of the tab of the first section. This is the first section, and you see it's transparent. You can see it's like a hand right here. Alrighty, let's edit this section. To edit this section globally, you need to press this pencil button, and you can see the format, background, colors, and the height and width. So for example, I want it to be like small or medium or large, and the content width also. I like it small. You can change, you can play with all these things right here. And background, for example, we don't like this picture right here because it's not suited to our business. I'm gonna press delete. You can add an image or video from Vimeo or YouTube, just from these two platforms, but everybody has like YouTube channel. But let's insert an image. Alrighty, I uploaded this picture right here, and here you can edit image itself. You can change all these things right here, make the brightness, All right, it seems great to me. Pressing save. You see that your header right here is transparent, and it's pretty cool. The text is changing pretty easy. Let it be like that. Changing the text. All right, here's the button. When you press on the button, you can edit this section right here. Size, small, medium, or large. The click command and alignment, left, center, or right. It's actually the center of the block, for example, but right here it's going to be left. Alrighty. And click through URL. Like, what's gonna happen? Let's leave the phone right here. Okay, now, for example, I don't want it to be right here, so I'm just grab this button word right here, and you see that I can place it wherever I want. So for example, I want it to be on the top right here, or I want it to be on the left hand. You see in the columns created itself. You can just drag and drop it. All right, seems nice. The sections, so you can add the whole section, for example, headlines, list, gallery, images, quote, text, video, and so on and so on. For example, I need to insert the video, and there's already pre-made templates. I like this one. You can change the text or you can delete the text. I'm gonna leave it. Alrighty, how to change that? I want it to be the big right here. I don't need this spacer. I'm gonna just delete it. And this spacer is right here also. I don't need it. Okay, this text we just deleting. All right, spacer right, one more spacer right here. So video, in the video you can add it with the same pencil button, and you can insert your video URL right here from YouTube, Vimeo, Animoto, or Vista. So you will figure it out, okay? There's interesting things. Do not display caption, use custom thumbnail, and so on and so on. You can add the thumbnail or you can delete it and it will appear with the video itself. So it looks interesting right now, more interesting. But you see that there's a background, add a section. We can add a background right here. We can add it with the colors. White bold, dark minimal. For example, it can be like that. Or you can add and I want to edit this image to use some filter. Voyager, for example. Okay, the changes are made already. But what if I can't, and what if I want the text to be with the right hand right here? I'm just grabbing it, and you see all these blue lines here. You see there's a spacer right here, so right now we can delete it. Alrighty, it looks pretty interesting right now. Let's add some section more. For example, we need to insert the form to get in touch, to get the information from our client, potential client that will go to our website. The same thing. Edit section. I want it to be small, for example, and I want to change the background. Deleting. All right. Now you see that everything is pretty interesting. So we have a couple buttons right here in the header, on the center right here, and get in touch. So this is the form. When somebody will press the form, it will appear, and you can edit the form itself. So you see there's name, email, and message. Actually, name and email, it's enough, so we're deleting right here. New form. To get this button working, you need to add a storage. So it's gonna be email address, and all new customers, potential customers, will be viewed on your inbox of your email, or you can connect to MailChimp, Zapier, or Google Drive. So it's pretty interesting. Let it be like, for example, just connect. It's not working actually, so it's gonna send all the contacts to your email. Get in touch, contact us, that's it. It's pretty done. Let's save all the changes right here, and let's see how it displayed on the different types of devices. Mobile preview. That's pretty okay. Here, for example, you can add the new pages. Blank page, page layouts, blog, store, portfolio, or events, or so on and so on. For example, we need to download, upload the portfolio here. The types of portfolio, let it be like that, and so on and so on. So you just changing it. All right, we uploaded the pictures. And you can manage projects right here, so you can add new photos to each one. And in that case, it will be, let's delete, just delete the text. We can delete it, remove. All right, so let's save it. Pages. Okay, so right now you see that at the header you have our works. When you press on it, you go into the new page that we just created. Home. And that's pretty it. You need to, the main thing that you need to do is to bring some value to your potential clients and make them to insert their emails or cell phone, so you can, after that, you get in their emails and contacts, and you contacting with them. You sending them some value, for example. In this case, you can send them the projects of houses. You can call them and find out what are they want, and you can work with those potential customers to bring their physical customers. Okay, I just showed you how to build real fast. I think that this is really real fast. But interesting thing, for example, I want to change the fonts, and you can change the fonts generally in all the website with all the pages. There's plenty of tools: sans serif, serif, and mixed fonts, and its packs. I think this will look nice. Okay, for example, this font looks nice for me. I'm just pressing save. Right here we have colors, but this page is set with a background, but we can change the colors, and there's color palette or section themes. You can change all this for your own purposes, but we have the backgrounds here on the blocks, and we don't need it. But if we just building from the scratch, if we're building just on the white background. You can change the color of the background and all the style of your web page. So the other things is pretty similar. You can change everything, you can edit here everything, and this is fantastic tool to build your own web page for your own purposes. But remember that everything that you need from the website is to demonstrate your business, first of all, to bring the value for your potential customer and to get their contacts. That's it. When you have your web page live, just bring in the traffic to it with your ad campaigns, with a Google or social media ads, ad campaigns, and so on and so on. And when your potential client is watching to your works, watching to your value, and contacting with you, you getting the new potential customer. Well guys, I hope this makes sense for you. This is really the core knowledges of how to build your own web page, and you can play with all those tools in this platform to get the result that you want. I hope this was useful. So the link is in the description panel of this video, so you can easily find it. Go via that link and you will get the discount for all our subscribers from our team. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day and bye-bye.